Healthy communication doesn't happen automatically in recovery. When betrayal and broken trust have damaged a relationship, every conversation can feel loaded, like there's a minefield between you. But here's the good news. Accountability rebuilds communication. When trust has been broken, communication often becomes the first casualty. Words are guarded, questions go unanswered, conversations are laced with suspicion or defensiveness, and the silence between you can feel heavier than the words you do exchange. Without open and honest communication, there's no path forward. But here's the thing. Good communication isn't just about talking more. It's about creating safety through consistent, truthful exchanges. And safety comes from accountability. Accountability means that you are willing to answer for your actions and your choices. It's the willingness to be transparent, to offer information before you're asked, and to follow through on what you've said. It's also about owning your mistakes without shifting the blame. Think of communication like a doorway between you. After betrayal, that doorway can be blocked by debris, which can look like anger, fear, shame, and mistrust. Accountability is like clearing that debris one piece at a time. Every time you tell the truth properly, every time you report your progress without being chased for it, every time you meet the commitments you've made, you're moving another barrier out of the way. The more consistent you are, the wider that doorway opens and the easier it becomes to connect. For the partner who has acted out, accountability might mean proactive check-ins, sharing recovery work progress, or disclosing triggers and temptations before they lead to acting out. For the betrayed partner, accountability might mean communicating needs and concerns clearly, rather than holding them in until they explode. When both partners practice accountability, communication stops being a weapon or a wall and starts being a bridge. It becomes a way to share truth without fear, ask questions without accusation, and listen without rehearsing a defense. Accountability doesn't just rebuild communication, it makes communication worth having again. When you hold each other accountable in healthy, consistent ways, you create a safe space to talk openly, without the hidden agendas or avoidance that break connection. That's where the iRecovery points system comes in. It's not about keeping score in a competition. Rather, it's about creating a simple, structured way to track and communicate about your recovery work, so you can talk about progress without getting lost in arguments or assumptions. If you need a refresher on using the iRecovery point system, go back and check out iRecovery 101.